BT50, the mighty BT50 is where we're going to go from here.
This is not what we're getting, just so everyone knows.
What's it going to be?
Worse than it is at the moment.
Oh, fully, yeah.
It's not that bad.
It's better once it's
It's pretty
I'm sorry, dude. I'm so excited.
Yeah.
It's so sick.
I know. You'll be excited when it kicks in later that you own one now.
You're just looking at like, what the f have I done?
Yeah, it feels like a bit of a money pit.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Tell me, is it whack up in the air? Rapping scattered off the gear. I can map him, get it, yeah. It's like a tracker, get distracted, send him back like in the mail. Not a fraction of them real. Catch him like and run the drill. Running through the shit like a motherfucking dage. I got.
Alright, so we got Brad here. What's happening today, Brad?
Oh, I don't know. You might make a mistake.
So Brad, the apprentice, I think you guys have met Brad. He's come out to a couple of events. This is him at the daytime. You can actually see his face.
In my costume.
Yeah, in his costume. Just pretends to work all day. But anyway, we're about to unload the S13 and head up to Brisbane and pick something up with the car trailer. So put in the comments below what you think it's going to be. But yeah, Brad's had a brain explosion and asked me if we can borrow the trailer, so pretty exciting. I'm pretty keen.
Hopefully no rust.
Yeah, hopefully no rust. Alright, let's get this bad boy off and then head on up. Bit of a drive ahead.
Yes, sir.
Full driving here to get the surprise. Oh mate, the BT50, the mighty BT50, she's meant. Now the next challenge is where we're going to go from here.
This is not what we're getting, just so everyone knows.
What's it going to be? What is it, Brad? What has he got? He's got a 180SX.
Half a 180.
Half a 180. Nah, it's pretty sick. It's had, this is the good side. I definitely approve of this purchase. Brad's first track car. She's had a pretty serious front end knock. Not an engine knock. Apparently, some old fella had a seizure and hit a wooden barrier with this and had a park or something rather and just completely cooked the front end. So yeah, let's get it on the trailer and get it home, have a closer look. You excited, Brad?
Yeah.
Brad's on the hand winch. He's not gonna have a good time with this. So, got a 180SX shell. Brad's first track car. So cool. And we're about to send it down this freaking like full drive track. This dude's selling all this JDM stuff too, so keep a lookout. He's gonna post it all up on the marketplace for some good deals. Are you gonna tell him how much you bought the shell for, Brad?
Should we?
Turn it to your phone. If you want, it's up to you.
Yeah, it can't hurt to let them know. It was a pretty good deal, I think. We paid $2,000. He chucked in 2 extra quarters because one was missing, and a mirror. There's heaps of shit in the back as well, so can always sell it. But yeah, not a bad deal for $2,000, I don't think. Not enough wheel speed. I'm gonna turn this off for you. Alright, James just did a burnout up his driveway while I was sitting there watching. He's pretty happy with himself.
It's pretty gnarly. We drifted out of that guy's driveway. It was like dry green grass. And are you pointing it at me?
Yeah.
It was dry green grass. Dry green grass, is that right?
Yeah, it was grass.
Dry grass.
Yeah, it was dry
On
grass.
the hill with the 2-wheel drive BT, and we fucking drifted out of his yard.
I don't know, I couldn't really tell his facial expression if he was excited or not, or just a little bit confused what we were doing there at the end.
The guy?
Yeah.
He was, like,
he was just looking.
These guys are right, they know what they're doing.
Yeah.
I didn't make it the first go, so I had to like reverse up and get a bigger run.
I think the filming was pretty horrible because I was a bit concerned what was going on around me. I think I was just filming my knee while we're drifting up up the driveway, but it's there. We can hear it. We can definitely hear you doing the skid up there.
We made it. Yeah. So yeah, now to get the car home, unload it into the backyard. I'm gonna make some space. We don't have enough room. Nah, I'm joking.
And then
We've got room for a 180, mate.
strip it down to absolutely nothing.
Strip it down.
So it's naked.
Now we'll talk about more when we get home on Brad's plans. He's got some plans for it.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for that.
Yeah.
If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud.
So we just rocked up home. Xavier's here. He's pretty excited.
So exciting.
Mate, it's the perfect buy.
100%.
$2,000 is nuts.
Like, you can't beat that. Like, do tube front or just like pull it out, make the rail straight enough.
I'm glad you've mentioned
Good deal.
Are you keen to do your first ever tube front end?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah?
Give it a crack, yeah.
Oh, shit. Xavier's keen. That was like
That's a good first start for me.
Yeah.
Xavier's stoked on it.
That was the main question.
That was the question. You're like, well, I'm sure it'll be down.
I'm like, I'm pretty sure we'll have a go.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah,
I would love to learn. I mean, I can guarantee it's probably not going to be the prettiest thing, but
doesn't matter.
Give it a
It's gonna be better than that.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah. Let's get it off.
Worse than it is at the moment.
Oh, fully, yeah.
It's not that bad.
It's better when it's pretty fucking bad.
I'm so, dude. I'm so excited.
Yeah.
It's so sick.
I know. You'll be excited when it kicks in later that you own one now.
You're just looking at like, what the fuck have I done?
Yeah, it feels like a bit of a money pit.
Yeah.
It's just a little bit.
Yeah.
But I knew that, so
Yeah.
I can't be.
Wait, I'm just gonna go back a bit.
Yeah.
Just make sure I don't hit those secret cars.
Yeah, we got a bit of a grid going at the moment.
Yeah, we got a few going.
Good rear quarters.
Yeah.
Money.
There's a lot less rust than I thought there was going to be.
Yeah.
Yeah, the seat? Yeah, the seat's weird, eh? It's kind of cool in a weird way. Yeah, I think.
Dude, does it come with guards? It comes with teeth.
Yeah.
Sick.
Sort of.
Yeah, it's just a bunch of trash.
Gonna get his girlfriend. So we'll do a part 2 to this, and we'll do like a have a look, just like an exploring and seeing what we find.
Yeah.
I think there might be some cool shit in here.
Some treasures.
Because the guy's just been chucking stuff in the back to store it there.
Yeah, for a while.
Wiring looms and shit. He's like, oh, I want to keep that. So I don't know, but
Sick. Does it come with? So it was auto SR, CA.
yeah. Oh, that's all right.
I don't believe him, man. I'm pretty sure all 180s came with. I'm pretty sure they were CAs, weren't they? Or there's some that came with
No,
SRs.
definitely SR. They
okay.
made them 180s that load like.
Wait, so
Just the early models, the CAs.
the guy's like, wait, what engine are you going to put in it to Brad?
Oh,
He
yeah.
goes, oh, I don't know, like maybe an LS1, and the guy's like, nah.
No. That's not the whole story. I was like, oh.
Sell it to you if you're gonna
Really?
Nah. I said to him, oh, there's a couple options. I've got an RB, and he liked that. And then I was like, could always put an SR in it or a 1J, and he was loving all that. And then I was like, oh, it would be pretty good to put it, or pretty easy to put an LS in it, and he just lost it. He's like, nah, don't do that. And I'm like,
Hell yeah.
like, oh,
I like this guy.
I've got an setting with LS1, and it's a really good learning car.
Yeah.
He's like, yeah, no, it is. And I'm like,
That's so good.
alright, let's wrap this one up here. Thanks for watching. Brad's going to be waking up tomorrow freaking not knowing himself.
yeah.
He's joined the club, the 180 club.
Again, this isn't my first one,
Yeah,
but
he's had one
yeah.
before. But yeah, so make sure, as always, you like the video, drop a comment below. Maybe a comment on what do you think we're going to find in here.
Stop black carpet.
Going to come down here later tonight. Xavier's going to be sitting in there with a torch, like looking.
Yeah. Looking for the goodies.
But yeah, we'll do a part 2, and we'll have a look through it and see what we find.
Yeah.
Wrap.
Alright, see you guys. Is it this button?